Hi, I'm Dr. Xing, a board-certified orthopedic surgeon. I'm fellowship trained in orthopedic trauma, adult reconstruction, and orthopedic oncology. I'm specialized in treating arthritis, bone fractures, bone infection, as well as bone or soft tissue tumors. I have particular interest in minimally invasive joint replacement surgery, including shoulder, hip, and knee joints. My philosophy of care is treating my patient as a person, not simply a patient with a disease. I listen to the patient to understand his or her concerns and needs before recommending an individualized treatment plan for the patient's best interest. I've had extensive training in China, Japan, and the US. I've been in practice orthopedic surgery in the US for more than 13 years. I have learned the vast diversity of patients' conditions, cultural differences, and individual needs. I respect the patient input, and I would like the patient to participate in the decision-making and the entire treatment process. I joined the Good Shepherd healthcare system because here we put the patient first, always. Even though we are a mid-sized hospital, we have the cutting-edge technology available, including robotic surgery. If you have any concerns about your bones, joints, or muscles, please give us a call, and I will be happy to see you at the Good Shepherd Orthopedic Clinic.